Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Haley, and as you can see in the title, in today's video I'm gonna take you guys with me on my plastic surgery trip to South Korea. As a lot of you guys might already notice, I recently got my breast done in Seoul, and the reason behind that is I always felt super insecure. I never felt feminine enough. I used to tape my boobs a lot. I used a lot of sticky bras, pusher bras, duct tape, and I was just so sick of it. Besides my breast augmentation, I also got fat grafting done. I got fat injected to my eye bags here. I'm not kidding to you. You will see it in the video later. My eye bags were so big, and I'm not kidding when I say I got so many questions every time I was not wearing makeup, going to university, going to the doctor, going for anything, any appointments. People would always ask me if I'm tired, sick, or just skip sleep in general. And I also got fat grafting done on the side of my mouth. I developed wrinkles last year, and I feel so old, so I just wanted to have them filled in. And besides that, I also got fat grafting on my cheekbones because I had big cheekbone dimples. If I use highlighter, it would make them more prominent, and I hated it. There was always this hollow area which had like a lot of shadow if I take selfies or videos in the sun, and it was bothering me so much. I just wanted to be smooth, so I got a little bit filled in to just kind of fill out that hollow area. And I also got a brow lift done to kind of lift my eyes a little bit, since I always look tired and mean. So I just wanted to look more friendly, awake, and younger. I'm finally happy now with myself, and I'm confident. She feels a little cute right now. Yes, I have a motto: to live life to the fullest. And if you only have one life to live, why not be the best version of yourself? If that makes sense, if you have the possibility. I also want to mention that I do not advertise plastic surgery whatsoever. This video is for educational purposes only, since I know some of you guys might be interested, and I want to share my experiences out there with you, so this video might help you. So now to the clinic that I choose. I went to View Plastic Surgery after I did a ton of research. I only heard good things about View. They're actually really popular in Seoul. There's hundreds of thousands of clinics in Seoul, and it's really hard for you to find a good one. So that's why you have to do some research yourself before you decide to do surgery. I know it might sound scary and crazy to travel to a foreign country to do plastic surgery, but I felt like I was in such good hands at View Plastic Surgery. The workers there are so nice and helpful, and there was always a team of translators that followed me with every step that I was going, to make sure that I was understanding everything right, that I was not confused, and that I know exactly what I have to do or what they're gonna do with me. And I know that they also have a team of translators for different languages. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the clips now from the surgery day and also the days before surgery. 2 days before surgery, I went back to the clinic again for more consultations, body checks, and blood tests. To check if my body is healthy, they did an x-ray on my chest area first to check if there's any issues. This was a really quick test, luckily, because as you can see, the positioning was quite uncomfortable. Next, I had a consultation with Dr. Jong Jin-wook to discuss my brow lift and fat grafting procedure. I explained that I wanted a little lift to make my eyelids more prominent, since my eyelid procedure was 2 years ago and it already dissolved, and before I go and get another one done, I wanted to try this procedure out first. And this will also make my eyes look more awake and friendly. And for all of you guys who don't know what fat grafting is, it's basically a procedure where they take your own body fat, for example from your thigh or tummy, and inject it to your face. So here I'm explaining my cheekbone dimples to him that I wanted to fill out, and he also decided to do fat grafting on my eye bags. And lastly, I explained how I developed a wrinkle on the right side of my mouth, and that I also want that filled in. Next, they did a mammogram to make sure my breast was healthy and ready for surgery, and they actually found out that I have a lump on each side of my breast, but they also said that they are not dangerous at the moment, but that I should definitely keep an eye on that. Moving on, I had a consultation with Dr. Choi Soon Woo regarding my breast augmentation. I explained to him what size I wanted to get and showed him reference pictures. He then explained to me that I should get Motiva implants. They are the newest version of implants that combines the benefits of both silicone and saline implants, making them the most natural looking implants. Another really great thing about Motiva implants is that they mimic a natural breast, meaning your breast will look teardrop shaped while standing and round when you're laying. We then decided to use 300cc on me, which will bring me up to a D cup. The cc amount and your own breast tissue together will determine what size you will end up having, so it's kind of different from person to person.
이걸로 정하셔야 된다고.
So please look at this feeling, how it looks like. It's more natural and fit on you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, this is actually on the side. It looks really big on the side.
You can decide. You should decide size with this external size. Okay. If this one is big.
Put a little down.
how it is.
It looks good, but because it's so tight, it's like looks really big on the side.
Which one is better?
I think this one.
그러니까
Yeah. So what is this here again?
It's EKG testing.
Is this gonna hurt?
No. It's just to not
It looks
hurt.
really dangerous.
No.
작동할
It
거예요.
will be stinging. Sting.
쪽 손으로 꼭
Press
누를게요.
the disc tip for 1 minute.
잠시만 누르고 갈게요.
This is stay still. Take a pen. Yeah, it's a pen.
Okay.
So press the and you can use this rocker or this and the button, and you can open and cross.
Okay, so
Any-
first down first and then okay.
Thank you. I will be outside. Please wait.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared, guys.
I'm not that. I can't see.
I'm ready. So right before surgery, I cleaned my face once again with a special cleanser that they provided to get rid of excess oils, makeup, and creams. Right before surgery, I had one last consultation with the doctors just to make sure. And I was really nervous at this point, so I was really glad I had my friend Tony there from Seoul Medical to calm me down and tell me that all my friends would be there when I wake up. I felt really better after that, and I was just really excited now for surgery.
Excited?
Oh, nice design. I like this new fashion. I think that
tribal look.
I think that I like this tribal look. I suggest Mike Tyson like tattoos on your face.
They're gonna take the fat out of my stomach now.
If you draw your eyebrows, your look is complete.
Yeah. What do you say?
Do you even have fat down there to extract?
A little bit. They just need a little bit.
Yeah, you don't need that much.
Yeah. They draw like.
They'll do it through the belly button?
No. Like right here.
Oh, that looks right. Oh no, but the incision's not here. I think it's this way through the belly.
Hey guys, I will show you part 2 of my plastic surgery journey in South Korea. I will show you my recovery step by step. Hope you guys enjoy.
3 hours later.
It's about 3 hours after surgery. I'm not feeling dizzy anymore. I just drink some water. Because of the painkillers, I don't feel any pain. And I'm standing right now because I just went to the restroom. I feel really energized for some reason. Maybe it's the painkillers. And I just took a look at my face for the first time and I feel so snatched right now. Of course everything is bruised, but it's gonna be going down. I had a glimpse of my boobies. I'm really excited to see them tomorrow when I see the doctor again. Everything went well and I'm so thirsty. I can't think of anything else. I feel good. And I really feel confident. Okay, let's get back to bed. I don't want the nurse to see me like wilding around. Hey guys, so today is 1 day post-op and they just changed my bandages. I just changed into my normal clothes. I felt super dizzy and nauseous earlier and I wasn't allowed to drink water, which was the worst part. So like my mouth is so dry, but I just took a sip and I just went into the doctor's office again to look at my chest and to look at my face, and it looks a little bit scary now, especially my eyebrows. They're super high up, so I feel like I have Spock eyebrows right now, but the doctor said that's totally normal and they're gonna go down in a few days. And also my forehead is a little bit swollen too, and I will have to wear this forehead bra for a few days. The part that hurts the most is the middle part because my bone there is really wide, so the doctor tried to push the implants closer so it looks more natural. That's why I have really hard pressure here in the middle. But overall, when I looked into my chest, it looks so good and I'm so satisfied. Of course, they're still swollen and they're still super stiff, but I could already tell that I will really like them. My hair looks super crusty. Has like all kinds of stuff in there right now. Hey guys, what's up? So today is day 2 post-op. I have so much slime in my throat. And I feel like today my eyes are super swollen and they have the little blood thing in it now. So I hope that from now on, since this is the maximum of the swelling, that the swelling is gonna go down from here. I just iced my eyes a little bit. They gave me like an ice pack for them, so I just did that. And overall, for pain from 1 to 10, I feel like right now it's like a 6. Every time I wake up and I want to get up, I feel stuck because I can't move by myself. I can't get up by myself and my chest has so much pressure on it. When I wake up, the pain is like maybe a 7 or something. I just took my medicine pills. Yeah, right now the pain is like gone a little bit. For my stitches here for my brow lift, this right one here hurts the most. It's wet because they put some ointment on it. This headband is so tight that it hurts my head a little bit. Tomorrow I go back to the clinic and they're gonna wash my hair finally and clean me up a little bit because homegirl looks a little oily and a little crusty. By the way, I had to sleep with this neck pillow because I wasn't allowed to lay down completely for 2 days. My head is still numb. I can't feel anything.
She's removing the rubber area as well.
Do I have to put the headband on today again?
The hairband, probably yes.
And now the moment I was waiting for so long, I was finally able to wash my hair and it felt amazing. After I got my hair washed and I felt like a new woman, I went to see Dr. Joy. This was also the first time that I saw my new breasts. He told me that the surgery went well and that my breasts will look way more natural after the swelling goes down. They also changed my bandages for me because at this point I can't really move my arms that much. Now after that, the nurses put some ointment on my stitches to make sure that they're healing right, and they also changed my bandages. Next, I received this infrared light treatment, and this helps with speeding up the healing process and the swelling. And I stayed like this for 15 minutes and it felt really warm and fuzzy. Hey guys, so today is the next day and I just took a look at my face and I feel like the swelling on my eyes are pretty much gone. The nurses also said that the swelling will slowly go down from your eyes to the cheeks and then towards the middle here, and then it will be gone. So right now I feel like the swelling is more on the bottom part of my cheeks. Right here I can feel like a puffy little ball, but it doesn't hurt anymore. Yesterday I still felt a little pain when I laughed or when I eat, but today I feel like I can move my face more. And for my forehead, I just went to wash my hair, so I took off the band-aid and I take a look at my forehead. It's not that swollen. The main thing is that I could just see where they incision the thread to pull my skin a little bit back, but the stitches look good and I hope they're gonna remove it soon. But my face in general looks pretty good, except this bruising part here on my right eye and the blood part in my eye, and my left eye looks pretty normal, I guess. My breasts, I feel like they're less sore. I only feel discomfort whenever I just woke up and I want to stand up and go to the bathroom or whatever, and the sudden movement, I guess, makes it really sore. But I heard that it's pretty normal. I heard that you call that a morning boob, that whenever you get up you have like 10 out of 10 pain, but you can just simply walk it off. On day 5, I went back to the clinic for another checkup, and I told Dr. Jung that my head still feels pretty numb and it feels super tight, and he said that the feeling will come back in a few days depending on each person, of course, and the tightness will also go down as well. And I also had another infrared light treatment on that day to fasten up the healing process. Hey guys, so today's the next day and I actually feel really good about my face today. The swelling has been going down so much, and right now it's just the side of my face that is still swollen here. You can't even tell it, but as soon as I laugh I can feel it. But my eye still looks really bruised up, but I can see the difference which every day, so I feel like the swelling and the bruising is going down really fast, which is amazing. And the red dots in my eyes are almost gone on this side. This eye looks so much better. I feel super normal with this eye. This eye takes a little longer. It's still a little red inside, but it's already less than yesterday and the day before and stuff. I still have the stitches in here, so I have to be careful. Besides that, my boobs, they feel pretty sore still. Of course, it's been only like not even a week yet, so they're still settling. Yesterday I actually went out the whole day walking around and I was fine. I was just really tired, but I just want to like get used to walking and like hanging out outside again. Hey guys, today is a new day and I just want to keep you updated on my swelling and my bruising. So straight up, when I woke up, I went straight to the mirror. I feel like on my face here, the little swelling ball-like feeling is gone now. I feel like my face is finally settled in. Yeah, for my bruising on my eye, it's just almost gone. I feel like it's gonna be gone in like maybe 2 more days. It looks pretty small now. It used to be huge, so I'm really happy about that. And for the blood in my eye, it's really small now too. You can barely see it. I look less scary today the craziest part is every time I wash my face now, I have to get used to the fact that I have cheekbones now. Every time I touch it like that, there's like something there. The difference is really small, but I can just see it myself and I'm really happy about it. And today is finally the day that I get my stitches removed. Like you can see, I still have stitches here, this side, and here. Yeah, I can finally move my arm like this again. It's still a little bit sore, but of course the healing will take a little bit more time for the boobs. I am able to get up by myself already. I noticed that today, and like I said, today I'm going back to see the doctor and have another checkup, and I'm gonna take you guys too. Oh,
did it hurt?
It just burns.
Burns?
Yeah, from the cleaning stuff, I think.
알코올.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's the new day, and I must say that my eye is healing so good. Like, look at this eye. This is my left eye. It's basically almost gone. Like, it's just a little tiny dot. So let's say it's healed. My right eye was the more red one, but now looking at it, it's only a small dot left too. So I'm really happy about it. Also my bruise is like as good as gone too. When I put concealer on, you can't even see anything anymore. So I'm really happy about that. And about my boobs, I feel like I still have a few pimples here and there from the medication. For the past 2 days, I feel like my boob was really sensitive up here. Like when I put on a shirt, it was like really painful, but now actually my left boob is normal again, and it's really soft up here now. If I touch it, it just feels like a natural boob, if that makes sense. But my right boob is still a little bit stiff and hard, and it's still a little bit sensitive. I still can't pick up heavy stuff like my suitcases or heavy bags. I'm still a little bit weak, but I feel like the strength is coming back with each day, and I'm really happy about that. And I still haven't seen my scar. I'm really scared about that, but I'm gonna show you a picture when it's healed. It's actually not that big. It's maybe like this big. So yeah, right now I still have to wear the compression bra, and I can finally move my eyebrows. How cool is that? I noticed it yesterday evening when I brushed my teeth. I can move my eyebrows again. I can do this. So that's pretty cool. So my eyebrows are not frozen anymore when I laugh. But yeah, besides that, my wound up here, it's still a little bump on both sides, but it doesn't hurt or anything, and the cut here, you can barely see it anymore. If you just do a ponytail, it's not noticeable, so that's pretty good. And yeah, that's all for today's update, and I see you on the next day. Now it's been around 6 months now post-op, and I feel like pretty much everything is all healed up and back to normal now. I want to talk about my brow lift first. So after surgery, I had 2 big bumps on my head over here, and they felt like I just bumped my head on the table or on a chair or something. So they were like really swollen, and they feel kind of strange, but now they're completely flat. And I was really worried about the incision area where the bump was, because my hair was gone there. Like I was a little bald on those spots, and I was a little worried that my hair wouldn't grow back anymore, but luckily they grew back. I have baby hairs here now. You can't see that bald spot anymore. Everything looks normal. Next, I want to talk about my fat grafting procedure. I did get fat grafting on my eye bags area, on my laughing line area, and on my cheekbones. And the doctor said before surgery, just like information that some people can't hold the fat. That means the fat could dissolve again. A lot of people usually do this procedure 2 or 3 times, but since I was in Korea for only a month, I couldn't get another procedure or 2 more procedures. So unfortunately the fat dissolved a little bit on my eye bag area. On my laughing line and on my cheekbone, the fat is still there. The eyes I can just easily fix in the future if I want to. I'm super satisfied with how everything looks like. Now let's talk about my breast surgery. I feel like they have completely dropped now. After surgery they were really high, they were sitting really high up and they were really swollen. I had the feeling that they were pretty big and looked really unnatural, but now that everything settled, everything dropped, they look so natural. They feel so soft. I'm like surprised on how natural they feel like, and my fiance also said that wow, they're like super soft, like that's crazy. My battery just died, so I just switched to my phone. I had a compression bra that I had to wear day and night for I believe 4 or 5 months. I just got off of it. I think it was really helpful for me because it feels like a sports bra. When you wear it, it's really tight and it holds everything pretty much tight together, and it actually helped me get used to the weight and how they feel, and it also made them heal faster. You guys are probably wondering what size I have now after surgery. So I was at Victoria's Secret like 3 months ago, and they actually said that my sizing now is a double D, and I was shook first because I thought maybe I have a D, but a double D, I was like wow. So before surgery I had like an A cup or minus A, I don't know, I think it was an A cup. And you guys probably think that's crazy, how can you go from a A cup to a double D cup? But I swear to you, I will show you pictures and videos later, it doesn't look crazy. It's still proportionate to my body, to the rest of my body. And for everyone who's interested, I got 300cc Mochiwa implants, so that's the size that I have. And I got the incision on the breast fold. I want to show you guys the scar, how it looks like after 6 months. I quickly just want to tell you that I did use an ointment to kind of like help the scar heal faster, and I applied it in the morning and at night, and I still use it. You should use it up to a year to make sure the scar heals right and fast. I'm gonna blend it in right here. This is the ointment that I use that was recommended from the hospital and the doctors. Alright, so this is how my scar looks like after about 6 months, and here are some before and after pictures so you guys can have a better idea. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions, just comment them down below and I will try to comment on everything. And please stay tuned for last part of my surgery journey, which will be a Q&A. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@soulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at soulguidemedical.com for more information. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.